Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create X account. First step you need to do is to open Play Store, search for the X and you need to download X application. Once you download, you simply need to click on open, and once you open, so this is my another account open, so you simply need to click on three dots. Here you can see two options: create a new account, add an existing account. So I want to create a new, click on that. And here you can see need another account. You have two options: continue with Google or create account. So I want to create, so here you can see select your language. So I'm going to select English, click on next. Here you can see a form that is create your account. So first you need to add your name, your email, your date of birth, and then you need to click on next. So we are going to use xyz at x@gmail.com. We need to create our, so let me add this one. Here you need to add your date of birth, so let me add, I think it is okay. So that detail is incorrect because I'm only showing you how you can create. And on the next page you can find a puzzle, and here you can see a verification code that you need to enter. Then you need to click on next, and on the next page you need to add your profile picture, your username, and the other details that are you can do easily. There is no issue in that. So this is the process how you can create X account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.